the great things that are Brazilian, whether it be the beautiful sandy beaches, the skillful soccer stars, and Christ the Redeemer in Rio. You know, the meat lover inside of me always chooses churrascaria, which is my favorite Brazilian. And add a little bit of samba, well, that makes for a great combination. So let's see if Chamas here in Abu Dhabi surely measures up to this steak and samba. So I think that I finally found my favorite chef in the UAE, and it is Chef Chris.
Wow, thank you very much. Great to have you here.
Do you know why you're going to be my favorite chef?
Why? Tell me.
Well, it's not your pretty blue eyes or your charming good looks, but it's because you're going to be giving me a lot of meat today.
Oh, wow. That's certainly what we have here.
And I'm sure you heard the rumor that it's absolutely, I mean, I don't know how you can categorize it my favorite food, but I love all of meats. So how many meats do you exactly have here at Chamas? You have what, 15, 16?
We have a huge selection of meat actually in a barbecue. 18, 19 cuts of meat are now on the barbecue. 18
or 19, okay. And then also I see a buffet, I see some other things behind me. I mean, you do offer a few other things than meat,
well,
right?
We have an extensive buffet as well, which includes a big selection of salads, cold cuts, cheese, and a traditional dessert buffet.
Okay, well, I'm here for the churrascaria, and perfect, he saw my green light. It's not a saladeria, so let's dig into this.
So this is a ribeye, and we simply marinate it or cook it with the sea salt.
Rub it with my tongs here. That looks great, and I love the cut of meat because, you know, the ribeye I think is so delicious because of the fat and the way that the style that you're cooking it, and it just drips.
It's just perfect for the barbecue actually, like the fat, the caramelization of the fat, that's where all the flavor is. And it's self-based as it barbecues, so it's really a perfect cut for the barbecue.
And you know barbecue, I mean, I don't think you're Brazilian, but I still think you know about barbecue.
I'm half Brazilian.
So I have the green light. I would love to try the next one. So what do we have coming up next? I see not meat, but you also offer seafood.
Yeah, we have a small selection of seafood because, you know, it's a little bit lighter, and a lot of our lady guests actually enjoy a lighter dinner.
Lady guests. Ooh.
We have the prawns there, which is basically barbecued simply with lemon, garlic, and salt and pepper. So again,
I will tell you something. Actually, the meat was delicious, and I got the fat. It was really nice. You know what? For the lady guests, I don't follow why the lady guests, because I gotta get all dirty and my manicure. And this is not for the lady guests. This is for the man guests. You're gonna get me all dirty here.
Actually, it's very popular with both the males and female. But
is it? I mean, the taste is gonna be nice, but I think I would get the male to clean it, and then I would eat it. It's better thing, right? And then he keeps coming. So I guess you just keep the green tab open.
That's right, green means go, so unless you turn that over, they're going to keep bringing you meat.
Okay, I'm in. And so what do we have here? Oh, this looks incredible.
Okay, this is the sirloin. Okay, again, similar meat to the cut to the ribeye, but it's slightly lower. Again, has a lot of fat content on the top.
Oh, it's great. And
a lot of flavor there as well.
And always, all of the meats, how are they prepared? They're
actually, you know, very unusually, it's quite simply prepared. A lot of people ask that question, what do you marinate the meat? But there's very little marination in the meats actually. Traditional way is just with sea salt. So you have a good cut of meat with the flavor coming from the fat, and then the slow barbecue process will bring out the natural flavors of the meat.
So it's just having great quality meat.
It's great quality meat.
So actually, you kind of do it at home, right? You can
do it at home
on your barbecue.
Yeah, you can have a go.
I can have a go at it, no problem. Okay, and oh my God.
So this is another popular cut that we have here. This is a leg of lamb.
Give me the burnt part here.
Okay, that's right. The burnt part is the best.
Give me the burnt part. If anybody doesn't know, don't be scared.
And this one simply we're just marinating with, again, garlic and rosemary, olive oil, salt and pepper.
Incredible.
So simply done.
Do you know what? This is almost like Flintstone style. You just kind of want to grab with a big bone and have a big bite of the lamb.
And as I said, the really caramelized, slightly burnt parts on the end is my favorite as well.
Definitely,
lots of flavor
is the favorite. And the lamb, how do you keep it? You keep it roasting?
Yeah, slow roast, just like the other cuts,
yeah.
So, you know, it slowly goes around roasting and caramelizing all the fat.
Oh, it's great. And you also, I think you injected with a few pieces of garlic.
Yeah, garlic and rosemary on that one.
And it just melted in my mouth. It was like a piece of butter, garlic. Okay, this doesn't look like meat.
Well, yeah. This is very traditional in the churrascaria. It's pineapple with cinnamon.
Okay.
And this is a great cleanser for the palate and also aids with the digestion. So
You can have the pineapple.
Oh, thank you so much. So, it's a little bit difficult to eat so much meat, so this is a great accompaniment to that.
Yeah.
Slow down, take some pineapple, cleanse the palate.
Okay,
and
so
aid with the digestion.
I'll cleanse my palate eating my lamb, and you cleanse the palate eating your pineapple.
I'm on a bit of a diet, so
I
I'll
did
just
not
take the
starve
pineapple.
myself for 3 days to eat pineapple, but I am excited to see what you
taste
have
it, you'll love it.
for the chef's challenge. So looking forward to it. So the chef actually decided not to go with the Wheel of Chef today, and he decided to steal a memory. I think this is a new segment of What's Cooking UAE. So whose memory did you steal, and what did you steal from them, chef?
Actually, I stole my chef's mother's memory.
Okay.
So this is the traditional picanha, as you know, and he does an adaptation of the picanha in the way his mother used to do when he was a baby.
Okay, well this was great. I loved it. I love the ring of fat, so I hope that the next one I'm still gonna get the juiciness. Oh, let's see.
So this is picanha again, but we do it in a steak method. So the only difference in the flavour is this is with the garlic, just like his mother used to do it.
And you can
garlic, salt,
smell
and
the guy. I smelled the guy about 20 feet away. I could smell it coming already.
So you got all the
garlic.
good stuff with the picanha in the other version, but this is
yeah.
an addition of garlic, which is fantastic flavour.
And also the cut of the meat. So when a gentleman, when he was coming over here, I don't know, the gaucho.
You could smell it.
he was cutting. You get a thinner piece, but here now I'm having a larger
As you said,
slice of the
it's
meat.
more of a steak version.
More of a steak version. Oh yeah. And I think you can tell the chef, because you don't win anything, but I think that his mom's recipe is a lot better because of the garlic, and the garlic butter is amazing.
Everyone knows that the mother is the better chef.
Of course, everybody knows this. Well, I thank you so much, Chef, today. It was amazing. And you know what? I hear that you have the sambas every Wednesday, so I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Looking forward to seeing you.
Maybe you're going to spin me on the dance floor.
We'll see.
We'll see.